What if I told you the ancient Greeks built a computer more than 1,500 years before the first modern microchip? It sounds impossible, but beneath the Aegean Sea, history was hiding a secret that would rewrite our understanding of the ancient world. In 1901, divers exploring a shipwreck off the island of Antikythera pulled a strange green corroded lump from the ocean floor. For decades, it sat unnoticed in a museum, mistaken for a simple piece of rock or debris, but hidden inside that calcified shell was a mechanism so advanced it simply shouldn't have existed at that time. Using modern X-ray and imaging technology, scientists were stunned to reveal a complex system of at least 30 distinct bronze gears, perfectly interlocked. This wasn't just a statue or a tool, it was the world's first analog computer. By turning a hand crank, the machine came alive to calculate the cosmos. It could predict the specific position of the sun, the moon, and the planets with terrifying accuracy. It tracked the lunar phases and could even forecast solar and lunar eclipses decades into the future. The engineering was so precise that it even included a dial to track the 4-year cycle of the Olympic Games. The craftsmanship found in this device rivals that of the 18th century clockmakers, yet it was built in the 2nd century BC. This level of technology vanished after the fall of Rome and wouldn't be seen again for a millennium. Today, the Antikythera Mechanism remains a lonely, brilliant testament to human genius, a mechanical mind lost to the sea for 2,000 years, proving that the ancient world was far more advanced than we ever imagined.